Welcome to the festival. It's very exciting to have all of you here. Perhaps you've all had like the experience of being in a show where sometimes in the early stages around the table is a bit like, what am I doing here? All of the workshops are going to start off in that way. Lean in, and it's a small experience, or even if it's something that you're like maybe not used to, just lean into that experience because it will be a lot of fun.
The festival is for all CIS schools. Each of the schools has the opportunity to bring a performance, a short performance that they've been working on. And I think the best thing is it's just a great opportunity for them to get to know other students from other schools, share what they're doing and make those connections.
It's not just a field trip, it's kind of more of a collaborative festival spirit that we're trying to sort of spark within all of the students. And today they're engaged in a day of workshops where, again, many of the people they saw on stage are now running the workshops here, or someone they may see on stage tomorrow. Lots of exciting things that are going on that are quite diverse in terms of some of them are focused on the technical side, some of them are on the creative writing side, some of them are on the acting and performing side. So there's a real sort of plethora of things for the students to engage in.
For us, it's a real joy to have students here, to have more than 200 students here at this time of year. We're in previews, so audience feedback is everything, and to have young audiences here really just brings such life to the shows. It informs the work, and I know the teaching artists talk a lot about how their teaching practice informs the work they do on stage and vice versa. So it's a real symbiotic relationship, I find, for everyone involved. It's super busy as well.